Welcome again all to another Sunday night short. What I'm going to show you this time is Morini clutch hub repair. Removing a damaged stud and replacing it. So let's shift to the other camera and get started. Okay, well these are the two clutch hubs I've got to repair. They're slightly different height ones, but both off a 350. So I think this is a kangaroo one, which I think had a where this one had a half plate, this had a full plate in. And as you can see that they've got one broken on that one and three on that one, and that's a hex style post and that's a round style post. And the back of the drum is chamfered and the stud is peened in. So I want to drill dead centre down the stud to remove it. And the way I propose to do this is I've made up a couple of sleeves. One is sized to fit the round stud. It's nice, nice tight fit on there, and the other one is designed to fit the hex, which is just a fraction larger across the corners. So we'll shift over to the machine and I'll show you how this is going to go. I'm going to do this on the lathe. So I've got the sleeve fitted over the stud, and I can put that in the chuck, and that's now, of course, holding the stud nice and concentric with the chuck. I'm going to slip the clutch hub holding tool on here just to keep things under control, and put the drill in the 3-jaw. It's coming a little tighter here. Well, that took the head off neatly, and now, and because we're doing it from the back side, the drill is then turning in the correct direction to unscrew the stud. So it's a bit like using a left-handed drill bit if you were drilling out from this side, which is always a trick worth doing. Having the odd left-handed drill bit around for removing fasteners. Okay, that's not... I'm not entirely certain this is threaded. These round style ones might just be peened, and it looks like they were possibly peened with the aid of some heat. So I'm going to grab a set of pliers and see if we can pull that out. Okay, I had to take that over the device and tap it out, but in fact it looks like it that isn't a tapped hole. So, learned something new today. I've got 2 more to do. Right, that's that one done. Let's do the other hub as well. Just the one stud on this one to do. Now I believe that that this one is threaded into the hub. The last one I repaired was it's an M7 thread, so we'll see how this one goes. It's yeah, I can see the start of the, I don't know if you can see that in there. There's a minimum distance. There is just the start, catching the start of the thread in there, so I should be able to grab hold of that and unscrew it. We've got 2 hubs here, and this is the one that's with the hex posts, and they're definitely threaded. And now that the back's drilled, yeah, and yeah, thread looks good in there. Pretty much dead centre down that. Now this one is undrilled and it's just peened, so those will get knocked through. And job done. And I just need to make some replacement studs up and fit them and peen them. So I know that's Morini motorcycle stuff again, but perhaps the technique will come in handy for some other job and help some of you out. So thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.